Andy here with GlueTread. We're in South Carolina at Camp Cooker racing with GNCC. Today I'm going to stab the sidewall of this ATV tire, patch it with GlueTread, and then run a 30-mile race. Let's see how it goes. We're halfway through the race, still holding good. Woo! Finished. And it looks like we're still on there good. We'll check PSI when we get back to the car, but obviously the patch is still there. Good run. So we just finished the race. It was 30 miles in about 2 to 2.5 hours. As you can see, the patch is on here and it's holding pretty well. We're going to test the pressure of this tire. We started with it at, it was like right around 3.2 or 3.3, I believe. So here we go. Yeah, and we're at 3.1 now. That could be a lot of variables there, I guess, but yeah, overall it held really well, and we did 30 miles of racing after slashing the sidewall, so it worked out great.